Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and feeling well. 9th class math issue is linear equation in two variables, page number 147. Constructing table of values. The equation x plus y is equal to 3 has two variables x and y. The solution of that equation is ordered pairs of number x, y. Definition of linear equation. A first degree equation is called a linear equation with two variables if it contains two distinct variables. Here are some examples. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, 6a plus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3b, and some of more examples. Although linear equation in one variable has only one solution if it exists, linear equation with two variables have infinitely many solutions as ordered pairs. We have got an example 1. In this example, they are telling us in this equation if y is equal to 2x plus 1, find y when x is equal to 3 and x when y is equal to 3. Solution. They are telling us part A, if x is equal to 3, then find y. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. In place of x we will put 3 because they have given before. So y is equal to 2x. In place of x we will put 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the order pair we will get 3 and 7. In part B we will get it if y is equal to 3, then find x. In place of x we will put 3. We are going to find the value of x. We will change this one to the left side of the equation, and its sign is positive. The sign will be changed to the negative. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2x, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, equal to 2x. Both sides are going to be divided by 2. X is equal to 1, and we will get the order pair 1 and 3. As seen above, the order pairs 3, 7 and 1, 3 are two solutions of the given equation. However, be sure that when x changed, y also change. Therefore, a linear equation have infinitely many solutions. Example 2. In this example, we have got, they are asking from us, there are two order pairs, negative 1, 2 and negative 2, 4. Solution of y is equal to 2x plus 4. So they are asking from us, are these two order pairs are the solution of this equation or not? So first order pair, negative 1 and 2. X is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to 2. In place of this equation, that y is equal to 2x plus 4, so in place of x we are putting negative 1, and in place of y we are putting 2. So we will check it that both sides are coming equal or not. In 2 is equal to 2. Both sides of the equation are equal, so we are telling that this order pair is true for this equation. Now let's come to the second order pair. Negative 2 and 4. X is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to 4. So in this equation we are putting in place of x negative 2, and in place of y we are putting 4. 4 is not equal to 0. So this order pair is false for these equations. So we are telling that therefore negative 1 and 2 is a solution, but negative 2 and 4 is not a solution. Example 3. In example 3 they are asking from us that find 5 order pairs which satisfy the equation y is equal to x plus 3. So let's come to the solution. As stated above, we can choose any number for x or y, because according to chosen number the other variable takes a value. If you put in place of x1, let's start it. If you put in place of x1, we will get y is equal to 4. 1 and 4 is the first order pair. Now let's come to the second order pair. If you put in place of x2, y will be equal to 5, and 2 and 5 is the second order pair. If you put in place of x0, what will be y? Y is equal to 3. 0 and 3 is the third order pairs. Let's come to the fourth chosen, our fourth order pair. If x is equal to negative 1, y will be equal to 2. This is the fourth chosen, and let's come to the last and fifth chosen. If you put in place of x negative 2, y will be equal to 1. So we have got 5 order pairs. The first one is 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 0 and 3, negative 1 and 2, negative 2 and 1. We have got 5 order pairs for these equations. So finally, let's graphing a linear equation. How to draw a graph of linear equation? It's the direction. Number 1, find arbitrary 2 order pairs. A third point is needed to check. We have found 5 order pairs from our previous example, so we have found it. Second, plot these 3 points on a rectangular coordinate system. If they do not lie on the same line, check your results. Now we have this coordinate system. The first order pair 1 and 4 is mean that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. This is the point. Let's see it. Look, this is the point for this order pair 1 and 4. Like this, we are putting all the order pairs in the coordinate system. Now the third one, draw the line passing through these points. We are going to draw a line like this passing these points. If the line is coming on these points is correct. If the line is not coming on these points, our example or we have some mistake in our example, we should make it correct. Right now we will check it. A line is passing over these points, so it's a linear equations. Your homework is page number 154 and practice problem. It is your homework. You have to do your homework. If you have any problem, please contact me.